Hello everyone. So today we are going to solve the LeetCode question number 217, contains duplicate. In this question, we have to find if the given array contains the duplicate elements. If it contains duplicate elements, then we return true or false. So firstly, we sort the given array with sort method nums dot begin and nums dot end. After sorting the array, we use for loop, which iterates from I is equal to 0 to I less than nums dot size minus 1 and I plus plus. And we write a if condition which nums I equals to nums of I plus 1. If this condition satisfies, then we return true. If this condition not satisfies, then we write return false outside the for loop, and we run this code. So that's it. Thank you.